Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we will be talking about the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust 31 in yellow Rolls with white mother of pearl, diamond set dial, and a Jubilee bracelet, model number 278273. This case, as indicated by the name, Datejust, 36 millimeters, or 31 millimeters from finger to thumb. The case is made of oyster steel and yellow gold with the monoblock middle case, screw down case back, and winding crown. The yellow gold is the yellow Rolls combination of oyster steel and 18-karat yellow gold for both beauty and strength in equal measure. The bezel is also a fluted style bezel with the practical purpose of screwing it onto the case in order to ensure that waterproofness down to 100 meters, but now is used as an aesthetic feature. The crystal is the sapphire scratch resistant crystal, so there's no fear of threads or buttons damaging the crystal. It also has the Cyclops window to show you the date at the 3 o'clock position, and the winding crown with the Rolex logo functions just as you would expect. Simply unwind it to the first position so you can wind the watch so you can power its movement. Pulling it out to the second position allows you to change the date by rotating it counterclockwise. Pulling out to the final position stops the second hand and allows you to move the minute hand for precise timekeeping. Pressing the crown and screwing it back against the case ensures that waterproofness down to 10 bar or 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. The movement for this watch is the 2236 made in-house by Rolex with the plus or minus 2 second per day time differential after casing. It has the center hour, minute, and second hand instantaneous date with rapid setting, as I have demonstrated. The stop seconds for precise time setting, as I have demonstrated as well. It has the Siloxy hairspring in silicon with patented geometry, high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, so there's no fear of, say, magnetism or even shocks from bumping to affect the timekeeping for this timepiece. It has a bidirectional self-winding via perpetual rotor, so you can rock this back and forth and it will constantly wind the watch. The power reserve is approximately 55 hours long, so you can set this down for a few days, pick it up again later with no winding, and it'll be keeping time just fine. This bracelet is the Jubilee style with the 3-piece links in yellow Rolls down the center with the outer in oyster steel, with the satin finish on top, polished finish along the sides, brushed on the bottom, while the yellow Rolls down the center is perfectly polished. Alright, it also has the concealed folding crown clasp for that clean presentation. So, to undo it, just simply lift the top of the crown and opens the clasp. Alright, and now we can try this on while I have it open. Now I have a standard size 7.25, 7.5 inch diameter or circumference wrist, so this fits rather snugly with very little extra space. Now this watch is actually rather small, but it actually fits me quite nicely, as the distance from lug to lug actually gives us a good balance between the bracelet and the watch face as well. So, demonstrating with a long sleeve, it actually slides under just fine. Alright, and taking a look at the dial again, note that the mother of pearl look is actually unique to each in every single model. No two watches with the mother of pearl face are exactly the same. No two watches have the same exact finish or the exact same color style. So this very watch, I'm trying to show you in all the different lights, actually has quite a bit of color. It's a little hard to see on the camera, but plenty of magentas and dark shades of blue in there as well. Really make this pop very nicely. The diamond set hour markers are a very nice touch for this very, very high-end, very high class, very classy Rolex Datejust. So, what are your thoughts on this this Datejust? Would you be picking up a mother of pearl Datejust? I think it's a very good upgrade from any other, plain dial color. Just keep in mind that it is 31 millimeters in diameter, so it's generally marketed towards women, but anybody honestly can wear this. It's a very nice timepiece, and with that mother of pearl sheen, uneven sheen, gives it that unique characteristic that you can only get with mother of pearl. Pulled up straight from the bottom of the ocean. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and very fitting for just about any wrist. So if you learned something for this video, be sure to give it a like. If you don't like me for whatever reason, be sure to hit that dislike button twice or even 4 times to drive that home. Be sure to leave a comment, let me know your thoughts on this watch, and be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when we go live with another watch review. And as always, you can, if you want to pick up this or any other watch, be sure to visit us at jazztime.com, hit that buy now button, and you can get your watch very shortly.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.